Hi everyone! In this quick Joomla tutorial, I'll show you how to boost your Joomla website's SEO and raise your page rank in Google using the Joomla Administrator panel. In less than a couple of minutes, I'll show you where to add important keywords in the browser page title. Make sure your website's content contains the keywords you add. If the keywords aren't located in your website's content, you won't get the same results. Log in to the Joomla Administrator panel as Super Administrator. Go to Menus. Go to the main menu link. Click on the Home menu link. Go to the Page Display tab. Enter 7 to 10 keywords in the browser page title that best describe your website. Save your changes. Now go to your website to view it in your favorite browser. The text you just entered will now display in the browser when you hover over the website's Page tab. Continue to do this with the rest of the menu items in the Joomla admin area by adding relevant page titles to each main menu item. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my Joomla tutorial channel and give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful.